I'll go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me.
Hey, comes down this wig reinstall with me. I know I look crazy, but forgive me because I'm not going to be looking crazy every minute. Alright, let's get into it. So as y'all gonna see, in the beginning, the install is gonna be normal. You know, it's just gonna be a normal install. When I start putting the glue out there, that's when y'all start to see that stuff is not going as I planned it to go. But y'all gonna see it. I'm gonna come back when that part comes. Okay, so first off, I'm going to get my hot comb. And I'm going to hot comb everything back. So everything in the front, you see all these hairs sticking up. I'm gonna hot comb it down. And we're gonna get right into it.
Oh baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you ride for me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take me to the top? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you ride?
So personally, I've been liking the bald cap method. So all my hairs that are sticking out, we're gonna slick them things back. And I'm gonna use this gel that I got. It's actually braiding gel, but it holds everything in place. So we just do everything back. Alright, so don't clown me about how old my braids are. I know I'm looking like Meek Mill or whatever. I know that my braids need to be redone. I know. But for the sake of this video, mind your business. Alright, now adjust the cap. Poke 2 holes in it. Put it around your ears. Bam. Bam. As such. Right. So now, get you some, you could get some concealer and rub it on, or I like to use the airbrush Sally Hansen Flawless. So alright, so let that dry a little bit. Then we're gonna go in with Ghost Bond. If y'all could recommend any, other glues besides Ghost Bond and boat hose, please do. Please let me know. I almost forgot to record. So basically, you're gonna get your glue, whatever glue you want to use, put it on the cap. If it want to come out, like this. So boom, this is where the voiceover is finna come in. So you see I'm putting the glue on to do the ball cap method. Now this is where I get bamboozled. I bought this Ghost Bond glue from the hair store in my local beauty supply store. Okay, I previously seen where people was talking about that some people been selling fake Ghost Bond. And that's exactly what I think happened to me. So one Ghost Bond bottle that I'm going to show later on in the video has a little QR code on it, right? The one that I am using does not have a QR code. The one with the QR code is the one I usually use. The other bottle, which I got from the beauty supply store, does not have a QR code. It smells weird, and you're gonna tell in a little bit that stuff is not sticking. It's not sticking. So I have been putting on wigs since like high school, but I didn't start using glue till like college. Okay, I am 25 years old. I graduated college 2021. It's 2024. So I've been doing this for a little minute. I graduated high school 2017. Okay, so I have been doing this for a minute. So I know what I'm doing. This ain't no new shit. Okay, but watch right here. I'm rubbing the glue in on the bald cap to see, to make it stick. As you can see in the corner on the left, that parts of it is coming off. You see while I'm looking at my hand? Yeah, the glue is rubbing off. I have never experienced that ever in my life. I have used several different types of glue, boho, ghost bond, Dola, whatever you want. It does not do that. See, look, the glue is peeling off. I'm looking at my because it's peeling off. It's peeling off. The glue is peeling off. How does that happen? It's not sticking. So everything after this, it just goes downhill. So right here, I'm just telling you I'm about to use my blow dryer to make sure that it is dried and sticking. And it is definitely not sticking, which I already said. But let's just fast forward through this blow drying session, all right? So as y'all can see, I'm trying to make sure that it sticks while I'm blow drying my hair. Well, the bald cap, whatever. As you can see, I am like contemplating life because I'm rubbing it and it's coming off. The glue is coming off. I am not playing. That's why you keep seeing me looking down, looking at my fingers. Because every time I touch it, the glue is fucking coming. Look how mad I am. Look how mad I am. Pissed off. So I'm like, okay, well, let me go ahead and use this spray and see if that's going to do something. It stayed. But why did I put the glue on if I was just going to spray it down? Like, come on now. You see, I'm fed up. She's pissed. Okay, so now I'm just checking to see if it's stuck. And it's stuck. It's on there. But it's on there. And then you're going to cut the lace, the cap off. And you're just gonna have the part that's sticking to your hair. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just gonna show it out. Back. And then I like to keep the little band part on, like right here. Damn, not this whole part just came off. Y'all, that's crazy. It was just stuck. This is the part where I start to realize that I think I got bamboozled. I'm like, this shit is fake. Like, I literally have been doing this for years. I literally been using this glue for years. As soon as I go to the hair store, instead of buying it online, now stuff want to be weird. And then I realized the bottles ain't the same, but you're going to peep that. I literally think my beauty supply store sold me some fake ghost line because this shit ain't sticking. Like, what the fuck? Like, I have other bottles of this, and it kind of look different than that. So I bought this one at the beauty supply store. Like, I think this one is sick. I just want to rip it off at this point. The silence is deadly, y'all. Like, part of me wants to rip it off, start all over, and use the one that I know for sure is real because I've been using it for years. Or I'm just going to sit here and cry. But I'm doing my hair for the Chris Brown concert, which I was leaving like the day after this. So no, I can't start over. I can't, like, no. We're just going to have to do what it do. This is becoming a nightmare. It's just sticking on my fingers. Like, what? I ain't never had to go through all of this. Yeah, that stuff to go in the trash. I don't know what the fuck that is. Okay, I am back with the other ghost bond I have, which I got from like Amazon. Or no, I got it from the website. This is the one I got from the beauty supply store. Let me just show y'all. This is the one I got from the website. See how it has the QR code? Cool. This one don't have a QR code, and I think that's why I'm having such trouble. Cause look at that. It ain't never looked like that. It ain't never did all this on my hands. I ain't never had this problem with it not sticking. Like, so if y'all got other suggestions on glue to use, please let me know. Please let me know. So we're gonna use the one I got from the website. This is just OD at this point. Like, you're doing it the fuck up. You're doing it the fuck up. Embarrassing me. I'm trying to make a video. Embarrassing me. I gotta glue all my, you know what? Let me get done with this. So like I said, we did this, you know, the hot combed it back, put the cap on, right? So now we just gonna put the wig on our head. Okay. Put the clip in back. Now, I will say that this wig is a little overplucked by me. Yep, I overplucked. This wig is also old. And it's like kind of small. Hold on. My head a little too big, ain't it? Head a little too big. So she a little baller, okay? Wig is a little bald, a little overplucked, but we gonna work with it. Yeah, that's all we can do, is work with good sis. Jesus Christ. Boom. Okay, so so some of this cap is gonna have to be cut back. Alright, so I need this part through. Making sure that the lace front can fit or whatever. My head is big And my braids is extra loose. It's on Meek Mill right now, so the wig ain't gonna fit how I usually fit with a fresh braid down. So I'm just trying to see what I need to do to make sure it fits. And obviously I gotta cut some of that wig cap back. All right, so I'm back after an hour of putting the band on, like E. Kane said. Let's see what's giving tea, because I already know I'm gonna have to cut off some lace. That's what's going on. My dog wanna say hi, say hello, say. If y'all ain't know, yeah, I have a Yorkie. He is 7 months old at this point. We're gonna be moving. That's why my background looks a damn mess. We're gonna be moving in our first apartment together, and we're gonna have some more content for y'all. If y'all want to see more of my dog, just let me know. Hey, say hi. Say hey, baby. No. Alright. Okay, so this is what it's giving. Let's see what I can do to it. So the front, let me see if there's anything lifting. There's no lifting on the side. I just gotta cut the front part. Cool. For some reason, my razor fucking broke. So cut it. Okay. So I'm just gonna glue down the rest. For like these last few clips, I start singing. Like I said before, I was about to go to the Chris Brown concert. So yeah, we're gonna sing a little bit of Chris Brown, but yeah. Cause you my brown skin girl. Brown skin girl. Brown skin girl. Damn. Didn't have to let me like that. Okay, I'm back. I done curled the baby hairs. So we're gonna see how this goes. Now, I ain't the best with edges. I don't know why it's so complicated to me, but it is for some reason. I don't know what is making it complicated for me, but I can never get my edges exactly how I want them to be. I don't know. So basically, I'm just saying I am not the bitches. I'm not the bitch to come to learn about edges. That's what I'm saying. I'm not the edge queen. I am not none of that. I try my best. That's all I can do is try my best. That's all I got. Like God, can't do nothing more than that. Try my best. But if you like that, I can tell you how to do it. Like, I curl it up using this. Get some Gorilla Snot. Lay that down in the front. I only do the Gorilla Snot on the beginning parts. And then I swoop. So whoop. You know? So whoop. It's literally a salute. Salute. And then I brush the hair until the end parts, these parts. I still put the gorilla snot on it, but I brush it in to the hair. And that's literally it. Like, it don't look the same, but that's all I do. Bow, bow, and that's it. So snot, get your sideburns, whatever part you doing, put it up the top, and well, make sure you curl it first, and then salute. I like to get my comb. I done packed everything like I just said, so we just like this. Look at all this hair stuff on me. Yeah. So, middle part. Down. Okay. We got middle part. I'm back with the voiceover. So right here, I like to make sure my part is like really straight. So I get like a either extension cord, charger cord, whatever you want to use that's straight to map out my part. And then I get some spray that matches the color of the hair, which this time is going to be black, obviously. And I spray to make the, part straight. But the problem is, it was straight. I should have left it the way it was the first time. My ass wanted to spray some more, I guess, but I didn't use something straight. I used something that was curved. Why did I do that? I don't know. But at that time, I did. I probably was just tired and just wanted to get done, honestly. So I messed it up, obviously, and I try to correct it with some concealer. My concealer brush, like I said, was packed up because I'm about to go see Chris Brown. So that was up. I couldn't use that, so I used something bigger, which was a foundation brush. The foundation brush got all over my hair. So I have to spray it again, which messed it up. And, shit just went downhill once again. Y'all, I done had to redo this part several times. Several times. It's just gonna do what it's gonna do, y'all. That's just gonna be the theme for today. Cause I don't know why nothing is going my way with this hair today. And I've been doing my own hair for years. And it never gave hard, it never gave difficult, it never gave this. So I don't know if this wig just
what I'm supposed to be wearing. Like, the wig is telling me, like, bitch, this is not the wig for you. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I just fucked it up again. See, like I'm telling y'all. From what it looks like before, I think I did okay. Is it the best? No, it is not. Am I a hairstylist? No, I am not. I'm just a girl who likes to do my hair. That's just what it is. So now I'm going to flat iron it and see what it's talking about.
Disclaimer before you proceed. If you wanted to see how the flat iron turned out, I just want y'all to know that also didn't turn out how I wanted it to. Basically, this whole entire install did not turn out how I wanted it to. This hair cannot hold a curl for nothing. I was trying to do some curls. I ended up looking like Lord Farquaad, Cat Williams, whoever with short hair. Like, I looked exactly like them. It was a mess. But I'm going to insert some pictures and videos of when I was at the concert. And it didn't look that bad. But it still didn't turn out how I wanted it to.
His hair, like, everywhere. So we gonna flat iron it, see what it's talking about. If it ain't talking about shit, well, it just ain't gonna be talking about it. Have to put a different wig on. Like, that's just not what I want to do. Like, I leave in a couple of days. Who wants to put on another wig? Like, please just let this be cute and call it a day. We're just gonna have it on for the weekend anyways. Put some little curls into something. Give it some body or something. His skin probably look like Lord Farquaad anyways. And if I do, I guess I'm just gonna be Lord Farquaad. I don't know what to tell y'all. I really don't. This tutorial, not even really a tutorial, just me installing my wig and recording. Just making content. Has been a disaster. Disaster. It started off with this glue that ain't really glue. Like, it might be glue, but it ain't the glue that I thought it was. Like, I don't know. I think I just curled it the wrong way. But did I curl it the wrong way? I think I did. I'm curling it back. Yeah, I'm curling it back. This song makes me mad. Plus, I don't even think it got no layers in it, so this might just be a failed mission today. Not even today, because I'm just gonna wear this to the concert and call it a day. It's like Kristen. People you're gonna be like, who is that Lord Farquaad looking bitch in the crowd? It's me. It's me. Yeah, it's me. You kind of be like that sometimes. Let's see. It's giving
bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Somebody auntie. It's giving auntie. Auntie. Mm-hmm. Auntie Days. Meow, 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 meow.
So I had to end it abruptly because my man called me, and I had to see what he wanted. But I'm about to insert some pictures and clips of how the hair turned out, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.